Hi Asta, welcome to IBOP Academy.
Thank you so
Uh,
much, sir.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you for your achievement at such a young age. And my fellow students would like to know about your journey.
Thank you so much, sir, for this warm welcome. My name is Astha Singh, as sir already told. My journey has been quite straightforward, I would say. I graduated from the Shriram College of Commerce, New Delhi, in the year 2023, and post that, I started my UPSC journey. It's been almost 2 years long now. This was my first attempt. I started off in a plain simple way. I tried to just focus on the basics, get my basics right, and accordingly things started working out. In the meantime, I also cleared the Haryana Civil Services examination, and as a result, I'm currently serving as an assistant excise and taxation officer in the government. So that's about it.
Okay. We've got students in Maharashtra who appear for MPSC and UPSC both because now the pattern has become same.
That's
So, did you prepare simultaneously for both the exams, or was it like first you did PCS and then you went for UPSC?
I had a very integrated prep, I would say. I did not prepare anything special for the state civil services examination. The only thing that I did was do some state specific GK, for example, geography, culture, history of the state, and some current affairs. Other than that, I focused solely on the UPSC syllabus, and that helped me crack the exam as well.
Okay. And what is the importance of family support in such examination preparations?
I think one of the biggest help in this preparation for me has been through my family and friends. I think I was constantly motivated by them, and additionally, because I was staying at home while preparing, everything related to my life became very easy. I just had to concentrate on my studies. Everything else was taken care of, and from time to time, I would just rewind by ranting at times to my family or just talking and spending some time with them. That would help.
Okay. Asta, how do you feel that at such a young age and being the youngest achiever of 2024, what will be the piece of advice you will give to students who have just started the preparation for UPSC?
I think the three most important things are: one, consistency. You must not give up consistency in this preparation. You have to regularly give time and effort. Secondly, it would be taking out the FOMO, that is of content we all have. We try to hit every particular content that comes in the market, be it on YouTube or in the coaching industry in general. So I think that FOMO needs to be taken care of. And thirdly, I think that self belief and knowing that you can crack this in your very first attempt or any attempt that you're appearing for, that self belief really goes a long way. So keep these three things intact, and I think you've got this.
Okay. And how did IBOP Academy help you in your journey?
I think they have been a constant source of support in this preparation. I think anytime I encountered a problem, I could just reach out and that would be taken care of. I was helped in terms of guidance or any sort of mentorship that I needed related to a subject. And that's why I think IBOP has been a huge help.
Okay. And lastly, I would like to tell you that the prelims difficulty has gone up very recently. So, what would be your piece of advice for cracking prelims, especially prelims?
Prelims, I think, is one of the most unpredictable stages, and it's getting more unpredictable every year. So I think for me, the foremost strategy that worked was just focusing on my static portion, just getting my basics right, and revising the static portion multiple times. Obviously, doing current affairs is important, but I feel like current affairs is very unpredictable, so you can't focus too much time towards it. So try to do the predictable stuff better, and that can only be done through revision multiple times. So if you do that, I think it's sorted.
Okay. Thank you for giving us this time, Asta Singh, and we hope you achieve great success in your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, sir.